Today's topic is abiotic factors in people and environment, and abiotic factors topic is already over. Now in abiotic factors, first one is the temperature, second is the water, third is the pH, fourth is the humidity, fifth is the salinity, and sixth one is the soil. So first one is temperature factor. Temperature is one of the most important factor, and this factor temperature is measured by thermometer instrument. Shows the fluctuations, means some of the changes that are the seasonal changes that are seen in different type of animals also, plants also, and human beings also. Means they adjust with their particular temperature or surroundings. And the maintenance of temperature in your body, the process it is called as thermoregulation process. Thermoregulation. Thermo means temperature, and regulation means to maintain. In such a way, water. Water is also second factor is important factor. The molecular formula is water. Is H2O molecule, and water is called as universal solvent. Universal solvent. Because why it is called as universal solvent? Because number of biochemical reactions in your body that are occur or that are takes place in the water medium, and also the different type of biological reactions or the metabolism process, in this catabolism, anabolism. These are also proceed due to the water. So water is one of the most important factor, and it is essential for human beings and plants and animal life or living purpose. And the maintenance of water in your body, the process it is called as osmoregulation. Osmoregulation. Here, osmo means a water molecule. Hence, it is called as the process. It is called as osmoregulation. Now, one of the most important term, medical term, is related with both these two factors. That is the homeostasis. Homeostasis. So what is homeostasis? Maintenance of internal environment in your body. The process it is called as homeostasis. Maintenance of internal environment in our body. The process it is called as homeostasis mechanism. This is one of the most important definition. Take down. Maintenance of internal environment in your body. Then third factor is the pH factor. What is pH? What is the full form of pH? pH is the potential of hydrogen or the power of hydrogen. pH. pH shows three types, that are the acidic pH. Then second one is the basic pH, and third one is the neutral pH. pH is measured by the instrument which is called as pH meter. pH meter instrument is responsible for measuring the pH of particular solution, particular fluid. pH may be variable in variable objects or variable things also. Means in ethylene pH is different, in acetic acid pH different, in saliva pH different, then pH of water is also measured, then pH of urine is also measured, and this shows the differentiality. Then stomach, in stomach, gastric gland secretes the gastric juice, and hence it's acidic in nature, so acidic pH is there. And in this way, acidic, basic, and neutral different types of pH are seen. Then fourth factor is the humidity. Humidity is classified into two main types. First one is the relative humidity, and second is the absolute humidity. One of the most important question is based on this topic, as the humidity is measured by diverse instrument, that is the hygrometer. Hygrometer. You should remember this point. Hygrometer is responsible for measuring the humidity, and pH meter is responsible for measuring the pH of particular fluid or solution. So this is the important factor. Then salinity means number of minerals that are present in water. Salinity. Number of macro elements or micro elements. Macro elements and micro elements, both are present in water. And salinity is shown by particular water. Sometimes the higher concentration of these minerals responsible for damage of particular aquatic species or aquatic plants also, and it is also harmful for fishes also. Some of the elements like the pollution of cadmium,